14 David 2, 17 David 1, 211 just occurred at death to a person, 16th Street and I Street. Still waiting for further details. Units on the 211, suspects in a black male adult, 40s, 6 foot, medium build, black jacket. He's GA foot, northbound 16th from I Street. Took a chain necklace. Further description, he's armed with a handgun. He has dreads, wearing a black vest. Running southbound into 1824 Horn. Copy. See, running southbound, still has a gun in his hand.
18 David. I just had eyes on him. He's headed southwest. He just hopped the fence southwest of the Copy 22. I'm on I Street. So headed out to Scranton. 17 David, black jacket, black or especially black pepper. And his dreads were kind of like an orange or a blonde. About 6 foot, medium build. I got him on gunpoint. He's complying. He's on the ground. I'll wait for another group.